So now we're gonna add a section, okay? This can be useful if you have, a series of questions pertaining to like one specific topic or one specific thing. So in this case, we're gonna have an image. We're gonna upload an image, and the questions will have. We're gonna upload a graph. There's gonna be a sequence of questions that students will have to answer with regards to the graph. So we're going to add new again, add new. And like I said, we want to add a section. Okay, so in this case, we're going to add a section. Okay, and we're going to call this section interpreting a graph. Again, we're going to add an image. Just to remind you, in this case, you can add an image or a video. Same principle. In this case, we're going to add an image, and we're going to upload one from my computer. And we're going to give it a little description if you want. And now we're going to begin populating. You can also customize the size of the graph. So this is as big as it's going to get. So I prefer to add the graph in the first question. Okay. So again, I'm going to add a new question, and it's going to be a text question. Okay. And in the text, I'm going to add the image again. Again, you can add an image or a video, okay? So I'm gonna add an image. Same thing, you're gonna be directed to either, go search online or upload one from your OneDrive or your computer. In my case, I'm gonna go upload it from my computer, and I'm going to put the graph in there again, simply because it becomes bigger for some reason when you put it in the question. So if I wanna customize the graph, I simply click on this little pencil so that I can edit it, and then I can make it, leave it small, make it really big. Now that I'm satisfied with the size, I can put my instructions, and I have my question. Once again, I have the option of adding points, ensuring that it's a long answer rather than a short answer, making it required. Again, I can put restrictions, add branching that we're going to look at later. And one of the things that we're going to do right now is we're going to add the correct answer. So I can add the correct answer, and once I'm satisfied, I can move on. And so then I continue populating with the rest of the questions for that image. So in this case, we looked at a graph, but you can do this like by uploading an image, or you can put a video, have the students watch a news report, have them comment on it. When you have all your questions entered for that section, you just want to make sure to see what the student would see. Just hit preview, and you're going to be able to see what the student sees. In the next video, we're going to look at uploading a file.